Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Qiyi Warrior Cube. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the cube. So it is matte finish. It isn't like this cube. This cube has a shine on it, while this doesn't have. It is matte finish. This is my best cube actually. And let's see how this is gonna go. This corner cutting isn't that good. Grip is good as it is matte finish. So corner cutting isn't that good. The rest everything is pretty good. I recommend it only for beginners because this is not a professional cube because it doesn't have good corner cutting. Okay, so let's get started solving it. In this video, I'm also going to lubricate it. So it is good, but I recommend this only for beginners, but it's pretty good. It's a good collection for me of Rubik's Cubes. I'd grade this as first, this is second, because this cube isn't that good as this one. This cube is better than this cube. I bought this for $350 or something, and this just bought for around $450. So Qiyi Warrior is good. I recommend this only for beginners. On Amazon there's available offer and all that stuff. I bought it for $200 in offer, so with coupons and all that. So even you can get this for a lesser rate. Please subscribe and like the video.